Hello, I'm Ashraf Ben Alaya. I'm a Microsoft student partner. Also, I'm an engineering student. What we are going to focus today is to build a cross-platform application using Xamarin. First, we are going to create a xamarin.forms application and we are going to choose a backend for it, a Node.js backend or a .NET backend. Then we are going to learn how to authenticate users of your application with an identifier provider. Then you are going to learn how to add push notification support to your app and to configure as your notification hub, also Firebase. In the end, we are going to add some material theme to have a beautiful user interface. So let's get started. So to get started with this tutorial, make sure you have two things installed. First, you must have Visual Studio 2015 installed with Xamarin. Also, make sure you have an Azure account. You can create your free Azure account today from this link below. So let's get started. First of all, you can see this is my Azure account. I have been playing around and creating some service like mobile services, also application site, app service, notification hub to send push notification, also some ASP.NET application, SQL server, and another stuff like you can see. So let's start. First, we are going to choose new CR and we are going to look for mobile app quick start, or maybe we can click here mobile app quick start, and then we're going to choose it. We are going to create it. We are going to give it a name, so let's give it a name online session, and I can create it. It not exist, and we are going to create a new. I'm going to choose online session resource group, and here you should choose an app service plane or location. I have a lot of app service plane, as you can see, but I'm going to create a new one for this session. Let's say app plan. Also, it's free, and we are going to choose okay. I'm going to activate application inside, and everything is alright. I'm gonna pin it to dashboard and I'm going to create it. As you can see, deployment just started. We are going to wait a bit for it. I can see it right here. It's going to take a little bit of time. I can see here I have a super family. This is a machine learning application I have created a year ago. It's a machine learning application. So let's see if our deployment didn't. We're going to wait a bit. Okay, you can see that the deployment succeeded after a while. It didn't take a lot of time, but it works fine. Here we can have like connect client app or line session in this mobile application that we are going to focus on. Yeah, using easy tables, authentification, easy API, streaming logs, and other stuff. We are going to focus right now on mobile application. Okay, we are going to choose here quick start, and we are going to build a cross-platform application that means xamarin.forms. Okay, that told me that you have already data connection. I have a database. It could enable recommended production. Click here to get. So I have already a database. I cannot create another one. I have also a table API. I'm gonna choose. Let's back here. I'm going to add SQL database. As you can see here, it's SQL, and I can see I do not want to create a new one because I'm going to choose a database that I have. That's it, and this is the connection string. I'm going to choose OK. I have to put the database name. Hope it's the right password. It's true, and we are going to create the data connection. Okay, the data connection have been created. Okay, now we are going to choose the backend for our application. So I'm going to choose this time C# and next time we're going to do the Node.js. So here we are going to download the C# server application, and here I'm going to create a new application, not to connect an existing application. We are going to create a new application, and I'm going to download the xamarin.forms application, as you can see. Okay, after downloading the server project and the application project, now we are going to execute the server project. You can see it right here. It's online session or runtime project. I have started the project already here. Here we have a startup mobile application in the app start. Here we can see that we have HTTP configuration, a new HTTP configuration, also a new mobile application configuration, and a database initializer. And we have a couple of stuff right here. Here we are going to insert some stuff in our list. It's a to-do item initialized list. I'm going to change those to online session, and here the name of my website, maybe then to code, and I'm going to click save. Here we have the controller, the to-do item controller. I can see here those are not errors, it's just I have to build the project. Here we have you can see the update, how to update our application, how to create the rule of application. Here how we can delete something, the to-do item. Also I think you can see the insert. This is the insert, actually this is the insert, and this is the update, and this is the delete. Value controllers also, and then we have the startup. So to get out of these errors, what are we going to do is to build our solution. To get out of these errors, we should first restore our NuGet and build the solution. Or you can click build, so it start your NuGet, and you have some like missing NuGet maybe. No, it's alright, it works fine, and all errors are gone. Good. Now what are we going to do is to publish the server project or the backend project. We are going to click here, and we are going to choose publish. Yep. And we are not going to import or choose custom. We are going to publish to a Microsoft Azure App Service. Yes. This is my account. You make sure you have the right account here, because I have another account, so it may switch between them. I have Dream Spark or Imagine Code, and here we have to choose our resource group. That's why you have to make sure to when you give a name to your resource group and your project, make sure you don't have like the same name. So I have to look for online session, as you can see here, and going to choose it. Okay, now I'm going to click, actually, yep. So this is a web deploy, and this is my server, and I'm going to validate connection to see if there is any problem. Okay, waiting. Okay, that's cool, very good. And now we're going to publish the project. It's gonna take maybe a couple of times, but there is no problem. Okay, we have started the web deploy to publish our application package, adding directories. Okay, good. After this finish, the web browser should start a new page with the new backend server or the web deploy of our application. It's gonna take a couple of times. Okay, still waiting. Okay, maybe you come back here and we can see like more about the project. Actually, it's here. We have our to-do item. Okay, entity from work SQL server. Okay, so we have a online session, and you are going to, I think this is related to, and actually here one more thing I didn't say, you have to install the Azure NuGet your Visual Studio. You can find it as an extension to your NuGet, just like I can remember here, NuGet package manager and extension update, and you have to choose Azure. Like I have a couple of updates here, this is here Microsoft Azure SDK. We have to download. If you don't have it, you have to download, or your project it's not going to work because it's based on publishing on Azure. If you have like problem, you should make sure you have all the NuGet package working fine and the extension too. If you are listening to a sound of birds, that's my bird. Now we are going to see the web deploy is going to work. Okay, that's cool, great. This mobile app is up and running. Good, I like that too. Okay, now we are going to see the xamarin.forms application. Now as you can see, I have started the xamarin.forms cross-platform application that I have downloaded. So as you can see, this is the portable project. Here I have the iOS, UWP, Windows 8.1 and also Windows Phone 8.1. Now what are we going to focus on is first thing, you have to make sure that you have the last NuGet package. Okay, we have like usual to restore the NuGet package after downloading the solution. No problem with that. You have to wait a bit. Okay, that's fine. Okay, we have here. Okay, one of the most important things that you have to do is always to make sure that you have the last NuGet package from the xamarin forms NuGet. So I'm going to choose xamarin forms, and I'm going to install the last stable update, which is 2.3.3.180. This is it. That's stable. Okay, make sure that's stable, and I'm going to start it. As you can see here, we have another version, and we are going to update it. It's gonna take a while of time. And you can see here that the update have finished after like 4 seconds or 4 minutes for me. um, we have a lot of NuGet package installed to work with this to-do project. We have Microsoft Azure Mobile Client, PCL, Build.NET, and I think this is JSON, the Xamarin Forms that I have updated to the last stable version 2.3.3, as you can see. And now we are going to explore our project. Here we have the portable project. This is the app CS that that are going to start the to-do list, which is here sharp class. That this is it. We have here a string ID, name, and done. We have a JSON property, ID, and a text and complete. So as you can see here, we are going to have like a list. Okay, okay, let's see the XAML project that we have here. Okay, let's explore it. Here we have a grid, and we are going to have also a stack layout. Here we have an entry that when we are going to add something with a placeholder, and we have a button to add something, and here we have a list view to see the list that we are going to add, and we have a menu item and completed. So when an item is completed, we have a button or a menu item to check or maybe click if it's completed. And here we have the to do item. Okay, here for the add item button, and here for the task of completed item. Okay, this is the add. Okay, complete. Okay, this is the portable, and here we have the Android project. Nothing was added, I think. Also the iOS project, and here like to get like fast build, I'm going to uncheck the Windows Phone and the WP also the iOS. I'm going to focus on the Android project. Actually, let's unload those the project. Okay, let's just unload this project. Okay, and also let's unload this project. And today we are going to focus on the Android solution and project, and next time, or maybe after we finish the Android part, we are going to see the iOS and UWP. So let's make the Android project into a startup project here. Okay, and here, as you can see, I have couple of emulators. Also, I have my phone here. I have problems with my emulators. Gonna fix them soon, and I'm going to use my phone to project the solution. But first of all, I'm gonna build this solution. I must make sure that, okay, I'm not gonna build the iOS project. And here I'm going to, as I said, gonna focus on the Android project. Gonna make it as a startup project, and I'm going to build the solution right now. It's gonna take a bit of time, I think so. Okay, okay, you can here see that the build have finished successfully, and now we are going to run the project on my mobile phone, and we are going to see what happened. The solution name is online session, so it have to create a new app on my phone called online session. It's deploying right now, and soon we are going to see. This is my mobile phone. As you can see, I have creating some application with xamarin. This is one of my application in Play Store, and I have some like other application. We are waiting for the deploy. It must have create a new one here. I have another couple of application that I have created. I don't remember where. Not here, not here, not here. So this is some of the application waiting for the application to deploy. This is an application I have creating for an event for my club, and I think the application is going to deploy right now. It's going to start. As you can see, Android application is debugging. We are going to see the application live right now. Where is it? Where is it? Alright, online session. Okay. Okay, the application is starting. Okay, this is the application that we are building, and now it's loading. If you remember, we have added a couple of stuff in the first time in the server. I remember, like, okay, we're back again when we are just going to execute again our code. As you can see here, I just opened my database server from the Azure storage. Here, this is my to-do item, and this is an add, and this is the two lines that we have created. Okay, yeah, got it. This is the bento code, and this is the online session that we have created from insertion here. Now what are we going to do is to see in the mobile application here, like I'm going to add another stuff, like where is the keyboard. Let's just try to write something like hello world. and we are going to add it. Okay, it's added. Let's check the database, refresh it, and let's see if it works fine. Okay, it's not responding. My laptop is a bit old and not well configured. So this is it. Well world, hello world. Like you can see, you have its ID and text complete. We're going to check the complete, the version, created, the time, updated, and if it's deleted or no, we can delete it, sure. Now let's say that we have a task and the online session, the first part. Okay, let's say we have online creating the marine forms app. This is the first part. Then we are going to add authentication using, let's say, Twitter, I think, or Facebook. Okay, let's say Twitter or Facebook. We're going to see it can be added. Okay, it can be added. Later, what are we going to see? Push notification using Azure and Firebase. Okay, and we are in the end we are going to see theming or styling the user interface. Okay, so generally what are we going to do is we'll have online session with bento code website that you are going to be ready so soon. This is all hello world. So we have created the xamarin.forms application, so we click on it and it's completed. Okay, it's have been removed from here. If we refresh, it's have been removed, and we can see here if we refresh the database that we are going to have true and completed. Come on, Visual Studio, come on, my laptop, don't do it to me. I love not responding when I have online session, so we must have one true, or maybe it's deleted. Complete online session creating the, it's true. That's it. If we want to have it back, we can change it like here and false, and remove cursor. And if you back to the phone, I think we're going to have it back. Yes, we have it back. Okay, got it. Let's click like that. Okay, good. Okay, this is like that. Since we have completed this creating the xamarin forms app, you're going to see complete. Next, we are going to start adding authentication using Twitter or maybe Facebook. This time we are going to use Twitter, and later with another backend we are going to use Facebook. So see you next session when we are going to use authentication using Twitter. Bye.